So we definitely appear to have a pollen problem. This is a 2011 Ford Taurus, and it's got 225,000 miles on it, and I've never changed the pollen filter. Let's see what's inside. Okay, let's see what we got here. Open up the glove box, and there's a little thing here you just gotta pop out. Kind of slide it, and then squeeze. That comes down, and you can actually pop it out of the way. And then get a little closer, and you should be able to pop that. Another one up here. Hurts your finger. That one's a little hard. Oh, there we go. Aha! Take that little door off. And then the filter is right here. Ooh. All right, let's look at this. All right, I think there is more there's like birdseed and dust than there is filter in here. Let's get a close look at this. Oh yeah, that's tasty. I'm using a Premium Guard Pure Flow cabin air filter. Got this off Amazon. I'll put the link down below. Came super quick, and they're not too expensive, but hey, how often are you going to change this? Hopefully a little more than every 225,000 miles in a decade. Okay, so when you put this back in, you want to put it in so the arrows point down. All right, airflow is down, so the arrows should point down. And just squeeze it in. There it is. Just slides right in. Super easy. Put the little cover back on. It slips up into the holes and push, push, push. Yeah, that's it. Super easy.